Hey everyone, what's up? This is Stephen Casey Railpin here, and welcome to another model rating video today. So as you can see here, we have a review of some Rapido rolling stock. These are actually brand new from Rapido that didn't release not too long ago. These are, I have two of them here. These are the Rapido Greenbrier transverse coil cars, and both examples I have are in Norfolk Southern, so I have two of them here. Because as you can see, I got these from the train show back on January 3rd when I was at the KCI Expo Center, so they're really nice rolling stocks because these are brand new. Because you still see these because these were like new coil cars that were out in the rails since 2022. So, and you still see these a lot because I've seen these in person before. So it's pretty cool. So, anyways, what we're gonna do, we're gonna be doing a review on these. So I'll show you what it looks like. So I'm gonna box one of them. So I'm gonna set one aside. So you just slide it out like that. Just opens like this, and then you just slide it out. And of course they give you a sticker, Rapido sticker. And another one. Pretty cool. I like it when Rapido is so thoughtful. And it has all the, information, all that. So it's pretty cool. So all that. So, and here is the package, what it looks like. So we'll open this up. I'll just do this. Pop out like that. And then you just lift it up. And you take it out gently. So there it is, right here. There it is. So, yeah, it's a bit free rolling, so there it is. So it's pretty much a free rolling stock. So what I'm gonna do is I'll get this coil car into the tracks, and then we'll start the review. Alright, so starting with the front, as you can see, it is very nicely detailed. I mean, with all that's detail-wise, you can see the brake wheel. It's got the nice KD couplers, cut levers, and then there you can see that. And it's got the details on the trucks, especially the reporting marks and the road number information, and all that. And hood is nicely done with lots of great detail. Everything's really nice. So, and then I'll show you now we turn the car around. So, same as always on this side as well. Very nicely detailed. Very cool. Indeed. And also, I believe the hood is also removable. So, make sure when you do this, you gotta do it lightly. So I'm gonna take it off lightly. And there it is. As you can see, this is what the inside looks like. This is where all the coil loads go in. So this is actually cool. And here's the bottom side of the coil car. And it's got all the information. So there's that. So I'll just put it back on. Like that. And you can see the underbody details very nicely done too. Look at that. Very cool. It's very nice. So, and I believe that, let me see if the bearing caps do rotate, because I know some of the newer rolling stock they do that. Unfortunately, they don't have them, which is odd. But all right then. So there it is. So for being a newer modern rolling stock, because I know you see these a lot on NS trains, or you can find them on any other mixed brakes, because I've seen them on BNSF trains. I've also seen them on a couple of NS trains on my travels. So yeah, so I gotta say, this is actually a very nice modern rolling stock, and I'm glad that Rapido was the first to make the Greenbrier transverse coil cars. Because I know Athearn's making coil cars too, but they're doing a different model. I believe theirs is done by Trinity Rail, but it's still in the works right now. So it'll be perfect if I compare this one and also the new Athearn Genesis coil cars as well. with these because I really like these cars a lot. They look so cool. They're really nice looking, and then they're perfect for anyone who models, like, if you're a modern railroader from like model like 2020 or over, this is the perfect one, rolling stock to have. So anyways, probably one of the greatest models that Rapido has done. So I'm glad that Rapido is doing some more modern rolling stock and such like that. So must say, very nice rolling stock. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this review of the Rapido Greenbrier Transverse Coil cars. So I'll leave you guys a little bit of a run by of these in actions, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay, have a good day, everybody.